Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off Chrome notification in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off guys your Chrome notification, so as you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off Chrome notification in Vivo phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off Chrome notification in Vivo phone guys. So friend, first of all open your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys click on notification. Guys click on app setting. So you can see there is no guys, you cannot see your Chrome app. So but don't worry guys, click on this most recent and guys you can see this icon guys. So I tap here and guys all apps. And guys now we will see guys where is Chrome see and guys see. So you can see guys Chrome. So guys you can off your Chrome notification from here guys. So as you cannot see your Chrome notification on your screen guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off Chrome notification in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.